Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We got Nicole. Nicole is 32 weeks pregnant. So this is the first time I'm doing a pregnancy video here. So I want to show all the patients that are pregnant that you can come in here and we can treat you. The table is kind of set for her because we don't want to put discomfort. So she's kind of more, is it comfortable pretty much, Nicole?
That's great.
Yeah, so she's able to be relaxed. And we put muscle stem. You can't put muscle stem on the lower back. So we put muscle stem for her on the upper back to kind of, you're having heartburns, correct? So she's having a little bit of heartburn, so kind of relax the muscles for the heartburn, and then the lower back just heat to kind of relax it for the adjustment. And this is her first time with us, and first time getting treated pregnant, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So this should be interesting. And you're seeing midwives, correct?
Yes.
And this is her second baby. Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Baby boy. Okay, so I'm gonna help you get up here, probably get back here, and then we're gonna straighten the table and then we'll adjust you from there.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. That's right, you do fitness, so you're in good shape. So we're gonna straighten the table out. So we're gonna do the lower back. The lower back is off a little bit, so we're gonna have you lay facing this way first.
Okay.
It's pretty much the same as regular treatments you had in the past. And you're gonna move up a little bit so you can have a pillow there. Perfect. So we're gonna bring this side up and put motion in your lower back. Straight to bottom. There we go. And then, there we go. Perfect. And give yourself a big hug. Deep breath for me. All the way up. Nice. Oh.
That felt good.
That felt good for me. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was awesome. Release. Face this way for me. One thing too, and Nicole knows this, there's a hormone called relaxin in the body, so everything moves a lot easier when you're pregnant. Deep breath. And they get out of alignment easier too. Perfect. All right, let's go face up. Let me check the neck. Right? Nicole, you're not getting any headaches, right?
No.
Okay. Relax and retreat. Great. Oh man, your ears are just red now. Alright, last part. You're gonna give yourself a big hug. Like this. Deep breath. All the way out. This should be for the heartburn. All the way out. Good. There it is. Beautiful. I'm gonna have you sit up for me. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some soft tissue work, but that won't be on the video. Until next time, thank you.